Hi everyone. Today we are going to explore approval process in this session. So before starting, we will set some milestone you can say or some points that we are going to achieve during this session. So first of all, what we will do is whenever an opportunity get created and the amount is greater than 100 rupees, then we will send a approval. So first we need to understand what is the approval. So for example, we are applying for a loan into a bank. Okay, for example, XYZ is the bank name, and that will go to the manager approval. So okay, for example, I apply for the 1 lakh rupees loan, then the approval will goes to the manager. Okay, so that is the approval basically. Suppose if we are applying for the 5 lakhs, then it will be going for the regional manager. If we are applying to the 10 lakhs, in that case it will be the national manager. That kind of scenarios we can set up into the approvals. Okay, so similar thing in Salesforce also we have the same thing. Okay, so now we will take a simple example. Whenever opportunity get created and the amount is greater than 100, then it should get approval. Okay, so let me go here. Approval process in setup we can find out. Okay, so right now first screen we can see here. Okay, we have some helpful points here that we can just click and get it. Right now here we have the objects. Okay, so right now I just want to get it for opportunity, so I can select this one. And now here we have two options. One is jump start wizard, another one is standard wizard. Jump is like you can say latest one. If we are expert in that case, we can go ahead with this one. If not, then for now we can go ahead with standard. Okay, first of all we need to provide the process name. Okay, so let me give opportunity approval. Okay, and here we can provide if amount is greater than 100 rupees, then submit for approval. Okay, next. Now here we need to set the criteria. So our criteria is amount, means the opportunity amount. So here is the field. If it's greater than 100 rupees, if we have any other criteria, that also we can make it here. So for now we have this one only. Next. Okay, so next, automated approval determine. Okay, so here we need to determine. So for now, if suppose manager I want to be approval, so we can make it this one. Okay, or use approver field of opportunity owner. Okay, that also we can make it. Administrator only can edit records during the approval process. Administrator or the current assignee approver can edit records. Means, see, if suppose we have submitted any application for the approval, in that case the non-admin user will not be able to edit. Means that get the record get locked. Okay, as an admin we can, but if we are not having the admin access, in that case we will be not able to edit that particular record. Now next, approve assignment email address. So first we will see with the standard email address. After that we will try to create our customized email address, and that we will place here. Okay, next. Now here the approval page is where an approval will actually approve or reject the request, where you want to display more fields. So right now I just want to opportunity name, owner, and like quantity, probability, yeah, these things we can, and stage also we can, I think. Okay, that we can give. Now here approval access the approval page only within the Salesforce application or mobile application if you want to. For now within a Salesforce. Okay, initial submitter. Who will be the initial submitter? Opportunity will be the initial submitter, will keep the same. save. Okay, yes, and I'd like to create an approval step. Now suppose we want to create the steps, means if suppose for a single approval we want to make it like 2 to 3 approvals, that also we can make it. If suppose we want to make it one, that also be possible. For now let me make it conditions. Okay, so here it's giving like give the who will be the approvals, that names we can here manage. Okay, let me next, and here we need to select the enter the step the following. All records should enter the step. Okay, if you want to match with a particular condition, that we can, otherwise we can select this one, all the records should go. Okay, next, automatically assign the save. All right, got it. Okay, so here if suppose we want to create any task, anything, in that case we can go ahead with this one. If not, then we can just cancel. Okay, no, I what I will do later. Go. Okay, so right now we can see everything get created here. So these whole things we can see. Okay, and now here we have few things that needs to be um, understood here. So first is initial submitted, means as soon as the report get created or updated and the price get higher than 100 rupees. Okay, in that case what will happen on the initial action? So right now what is it is record should get locked. Now let me add one more functionality here, that as soon as the amount goes above 100 rupees, that we should have some approval status that should be like pending. Okay, so let me search for opportunity. Let me create a pick list type. Approval status. Let me make it few pending, rejected, approved. All right, three values. Let me visible for all. Let me make it for president. That's right. All right. Now let me go here. So here we have initial submitted action, means as soon as the record get submitted. So here we have some existing, and suppose we have existing field update, email alert, task creation, outbound messages, that we can select from here. If not, then we can just click here and let me make it field update. Okay, as soon as that record get submitted, I will change the status to pending. Okay, update opt approval status. All right, let me select the fields. So here we should have approval status, we can see, and let me select the value pending. Okay, let me save. Okay, so right now we can see this one. Okay, now another thing is approval steps. Right now we have just done like one approval, we can make it multiple. Okay, now here we have few things. If suppose a user or a manager approve this request, in this case what should happen? So for now what we can do is, we have created the approval status. So let me make it field update. Okay, so uh, update opti approval status is approved. Okay, let me make it this one. Okay, save. Okay, now let me make it for the you can say the rejection also. Okay, rejected. So all right, so now we can see whenever it's approved it will update to approve, if not then it will reject. Okay, similarly suppose if you want to send an email, that also we can achieve from here. For now I'm not adding that. Final approval, suppose we have multiple things here. Okay, and once all things are completed then it will come to the finish approval. Okay, similarly like if we are working on a batch class and there is multiple chance, once the all things completed it will come to the finish. So same thing, it will come to the finish once all the steps get completed. Okay, so right now what we are doing, if suppose the final approval action is done, in that case record get locked. Okay, we can say we can unlock also. Okay, so we have few things here. Final rejection, if suppose unlock the record, if recall, in that case also unlock the record. Okay, now let me make it active this one. Okay, all right, let me go here, let me create opportunity. Let me create, let me make it sales office. Okay, let me stage as this one, amount as 100 rupees or 101, close data let me make it 9, and other things let me make it. And right now we can see approval status is blank. Let me now save. Let me go to details. Okay, let me click on submit for approval. Okay, so right now if suppose we get this kind of error, because in approval process we have mentioned the manager. Okay, but for the current owner means Neeraj. So let me open this one. Okay, so let me search here manager. So right now we can see manager field is blank, that's what that error is coming. Let me edit. Let me go here. Okay, I can't select myself. Let me select Alan, save it. Okay, now let me go back again. So as I clicked, so this is the standard button only. If suppose you are able to see on the page layout, that's fine. If not, then you can just edit the page layout and you will be able to place it. Now let me click test, submit. Okay, now the opportunity was submitted for approval, and here we can see the approval status is pending, because here what we have done is initially we have make it the update. Right now the pending, now we can just see in approval history. So we have these things that right now I'm the admin, so what I can do is I can approve by myself. Otherwise that Alan needs to be logged in and approve. This is the submit request and this is the waiting for the. Okay, so for now let me up, um, let me go to manager. So this is the things, and here we have like reassign, if suppose approve or reject we can do. So let me, so You can see we have set up the fields, right? The four fields, so these fields are visible here. Now let me approve this one. Approve. Now suppose if I will come here on that particular opportunity record, and let me go here. So right now we can see, and this record got approved. Okay, now this opportunity can be like going forward, that can be used for the further processes. So this is the power of you can say approval process. Okay, as I mentioned, like we can customize the templates and everything, whatever emails and everything we can send. So you guys can like perform all those things. If you have any doubt, any concern, any issues, you can just comment out. I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.